Hi there, it's Mackenzie with WTI. Let me introduce you to one of the coldest things that I have found that has been incredibly helpful. I suffered actually just a couple days ago with like the worst headache I've had for a while. And the problem is it lasted so long from the night before. This ComfiTECH gel soothing head mask, that's what I'm gonna call it, a head mask, is incredible. This is squishy and slightly weighted. The cold gel has been such a huge relief. It goes on right over your entire head, circling and pressing in a good way, that little extra pressure needed right over your eyes as well. I feel like this cool gel pack makes the puffiness and the pressure of any headache or migraine just subside very quickly. I love this too because I didn't need to take any migraine or headache medication. This was one of those tension, low pressure headaches from outside that the weather was giving me. And I love that this could take care of it. I left this on for between 5 and 10 minutes and my headache was so much better, it was practically gone. And this was a headache that lasted over 24 hours. I love this product. I know you will love it too. It'll be an absolute every household essential from now on. That's my point of view.